In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a loop music with Suno AI music. A loop track is a piece of music that can repeat endlessly without you noticing a hard restart. It's perfect for lofi beats, game soundtracks, meditation backgrounds, TikTok or Reels, and any situation where you want a consistent vibe that never distracts. Suno doesn't have a dedicated loop button, so we'll guide the model to produce loop-friendly music using smart prompting and careful selection. Start by going to Suno AI, logging in and clicking Create. Choose simple mode so you can focus on getting the right style and behavior without extra complexity. The key to great loops is choosing a concept that's repetitive, simple, and slow changing. You want music with a steady rhythm, minimal variation, and no sudden drops or big breakdowns. Styles like lofi loop, ambient loop, game loop music, and meditation loop work especially well because they naturally favor gentle repetition and smooth textures. When you write your prompt, make your intent unmistakable. Include loop words that tell Suno exactly what you want. Loopable, seamless, repetitive, steady rhythm, minimal variation, and continuous flow. For example, if you're aiming for a cozy lo-fi feel, you might describe soft drums, warm chords, and a mellow bass. Then add those loop words so the system understands you need consistency. For ambient or meditation, mention airy pads and evolving textures, then reinforce that you want continuous flow and minimal variation. For game music, you can reference a light, focused mood with a steady pulse and seamless looping. Avoid language that suggests big builds, dramatic drops, or flashy solos. Terms like intense breakdown, sudden change, or complex progression can push the model toward moments that won't loop cleanly. If you're unsure about tempo or instrumentation, it's fine to keep it simple and let the loop words do the heavy lifting. Once your prompt is set, click Create to generate the track. Suno will give you versions to audition. Listen for the one that feels the most consistent from start to finish, without abrupt transitions, drum fills, or surprise chord changes. A good loop usually starts and ends with nearly identical energy, so when it repeats, nothing jars the listener. If a version shifts too much halfway through or lands on a dramatic hit near the end, skip it and try another take. You can refine your prompt by emphasizing steady rhythm or minimal variation again, then regenerate. When you find the version that holds a stable groove and flows seamlessly, you've got your loop.